How you doing, guys? Welcome back. I wanted to show you my updated Apache 4800 case. No, not really. I actually wanted to show you what's inside the case. Now, you guys do know that I have two original guns that was in there, the Kel-Tec Sub 2000 and my Glock 19. Well, I have two more guns that's in there, so for a total of four guns, but I am going to be talking about my eighth gun. So let's take a look inside. There it is. Let's take the safety earplugs out. And my Kel-Tec Sub 2000 is behind that with a lot of Glock magazines. And of course the Glock 19. And my eighth gun right here. We'll talk about this some other day. This is actually my ninth gun, but we'll talk about it more. But we're going to be talking about these two mostly. Here is my Glock 19 and my eighth gun, which is the Glock 26. There it is, guys. As in comparison, this is nicknamed the Baby Glock. It is smaller than the Glock 19, easily concealable. Now the Glock 26, its magazine cannot fit into the Glock 19, but the Glock 19 can fit into the Glock 26, as well as the Glock 17, which I do not have. I doubt that I'm gonna get it. It's just a bigger version of the Glock 19, but you can see the magazines. This is the Glock 26 magazine, and this is the Glock 19 magazine. You can see the big difference right there. This will not fit in there, but this will fit in there. You can see. Now, you can see that I have the adapter, the extra finger adapter on this. Originally, the magazine, your pinky finger would just hang out loose like that, but with the grip extension adapter, it's full size grip. And then this is the Glock 19 magazine. There it is. Now you could, like I said, you could fit a Glock 17 or as well as the higher capacity magazines if you're able to get them. I mean, California, I'm not able to get those 30 rounders. It'll be like a dream or a wish only. But yeah, let's see. Now I did get this back in April of 2023, so this is a late video. I got it from Empire Guns and Ammo. Like I said, my current favorite place to go. It's like Toys R Us for me, you know, as an adult. But yeah, there it is, guys. My Glock 26, my eighth gun. As compared to the Glock 19. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.